Hello, this is Colin Greatwood, Applications Engineer at LMI Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to perform a stationary flat surface alignment to correct for rotation about the sensor's y-axis and potential z offset as well. You can see right now that I have my Gocator line profiler positioned over the top of a table, and it is looking at the flat surface at the top of the table. That table is showing up at negative 5.8 millimeters approximately. That is 5.8 millimeters below the Gocator's current origin. You can also see that there's a slight tilt from left to right, with the left side of the line appearing slightly closer to the Gocator. So that suggests there's some rotation about Y in the sensor's mounting. By performing a stationary flat surface alignment, I can correct for that rotation and offset. I have a connector here that is approximately 12.5 millimeters in height. You can see here that the top value of the connector is approximately 6.7 millimeters. Now I'm going to perform a flat stationary alignment to correct for rotation about Y and Z offset. The first thing that you should notice is that the data has been adjusted so that there's no longer any apparent rotation due to incorrect mounting of the Gocator, and that the table has now been shifted slightly upward to be the new 0 for the profile. If I slide that same connector underneath the line profiler, you can see that the center of my scan is now reading approximately 12.5 millimeters as expected. Adding a profile position tool allows us to see that after the alignment, the connector is measuring at 12.5 millimeters tall, as opposed to the 6.7 millimeters tall it would have read prior to alignment.